Hey guys, welcome back to Cast Cooking. Thanks for being here. I know, I missed you too. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to do a crock pot chili recipe today. It's gonna be delicious. As a Midwesterner, I do add corn to my chili. You don't have to, but without further ado, let's get into it. Now you'll see I got a pound of ground beef here that I'm gonna brown on all sides in the skillet. Then I got a pound of Italian sausage, mild. You can use hot if you want to. Go ahead and throw that all in the skillet. Get it nice and brown. Little pink is okay because you're still gonna cook this stuff while it's in the crock pot. Then I diced up a medium yellow sweet onion, 2 red bell peppers, and I minced 3 cloves of garlic. Once you've got that all diced up and minced up, throw it in an iron skillet with a little bit of olive oil and saute until the onions become translucent. Once you've achieved that, you can set it aside and we'll start building our chili. If you have a slow cooker, use that. If you have an Instant Pot like I do, use that. Just needs to be 6 quarts. This is a 6 quart Instant Pot that we're going to set to slow cook on medium. Alright, now to start we're going to add our ground beef and Italian sausage mixture. We're going to follow that up with our onion, bell pepper, and garlic mixture. And then we're going to take 1 30-ounce can of kidney beans, 1 15-ounce can of pinto beans, and 1 15-ounce can of black beans. Drain the juice, rinse in a colander, add to your pot, and go ahead and mix that in as well. Now once that's all mixed up, we're going to add 3 ounces of tomato paste. This is a 12-ounce can, so I'm going to use 1/4 of this can here. About that much. Alright, now to that, we're going to add Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And on top of that, we're going to add 1 cup of beef broth going in. Next up, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. For this chili, we're going to use Tsp Mama Cajun hot sauce. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Now if you want to reduce the heat in this recipe, just leave this out. There's 1. There's 2. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar also if you'd like. And to that we're going to add 8 ounces of tomato sauce. To that we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I like more pepper, so I'm going to add about that much. Freshly cracked black peppercorns. A little bit of salt. Stir to combine all the ingredients. Alright, being a corn-fed Midwesterner, I add corn to my chili. This is optional, you don't have to. Some people don't even like beans in their chili, but this is what I do. It adds a little color to the chili and it's got a nice crunch. So 2 cups of yellow sweet corn. Alright guys, and just for that added touch of smoky flavor, I am going to use liquid smoke. I know, sacrilege, but we didn't smoke anything in this pot. So all you need is just a drop. Now that you've got all your ingredients in the pot, we're going to throw the lid on. Let it sing to you a little bit. Make sure your steam vent is not open. This is open, this is sealed. Make sure that's closed. And we're going to come down here, set the slow cook, 6 hours on the normal setting, medium. We're going to let that cook for 6 hours and come on back to it. It'll be ready to eat. You guys, this stuff smells amazing. I took a little taste. It also tastes amazing. Still got about 3 hours to go. We're gonna let this keep rocking. This stuff is smelling and tasting fantastic. We'll be back when it's done. Alright guys, there you have it. Crock-pot chili. I'll throw some cheese on top of here. Serve it with some tortilla chips. Cover the whole thing with cheese, right? A little dollop of sour cream. Chives. There you have it. Crock pot chili. Nothing left to do now but eat it, right? Man, I don't make the best chili in the world, but when I make it, I love it. I'm sure you guys will too if you try this recipe. Thank you again so much for watching. Hit like, subscribe. See you in the next cook.